Hey, what's up? So, we're now up to our next installment of physics as applied to embalming. And this installment does require the prerequisite knowledge. So, if you haven't watched it, please go watch it. Watch it again if that floats your boat. What we're covering is that we flow as you go. So, while we're injecting the human body with fluid in the embalming process, at all times, fluid is also being relieved along all the pathways of the arteries. Now, what we're specifically talking about is a term known as pressure filtration. Pressure filtration is defined as the positive pressure created in the arterial system that results in the movement of fluid from the arterial system into the tissues of the body and thus relieved via the venous system. So what we're pointing out is our prerequisite knowledge about Pascal's law. Force creates flow. When flow is no longer happening, we're carrying the message, which is the value of force which created the flow. All this comes into play now because, again, we flow as we go, because all along the arterial system, fluid is being relieved, and it's always taking the path of least resistance first before it takes the greater adversity paths. This is proportionate based upon the resistance and relief. So just know you flow as you go. This pressure is always being relieved to some degree. It's traveling some space. We will build upon this knowledge. We will develop it as we progress.